says there is problem in Zamfara. Mr. President, there is problem in Zamfara. There is problem in my constituency. People are being killed every day. Women are being kidnapped. Ordinary people are being kidnapped for ransom that they don't have. And that the net effect is people are resorting to buying weapons to protect themselves. Mr. President, the only thing the government can do is they instructed the party to invite me for comments made on the floor of the Senate. Mr. President, I'm not afraid of their invitation, but they have led a precedence. In 2012, a member of the House of Representatives representing Gusau's affair made comments against Governor Abdulaziz Yari. He was invited to Gusau, and miscreants were arranged that attacked him, smashed his cars, and everything. Just late last year, the Zamfara State House of Assembly made attempts to invite the governor, and thereafter made pronouncement to the effect that unless he attends, they are going to impeach him. The next thing is, the same party in Zamfara invited them for a meeting. And what happened? They were attacked, their vehicles smashed. In the end, they were arrested, brought to Abuja, and detained. All the members of the Zamfara House of Assembly. Mr. President, I received their invitation. I want to notify the Senate. I am going to attend. My own is going to be a different ball game altogether. I'm going to do it. I said on this floor, what is happening in Zamfara is with the full knowledge of the government of Zamfara State. And I repeat it. And I want them to deny what I said. Let them assemble the emirs of Zamfara. Let them come out and say what Marafa said was a lie. Let the imams, maybe, of the 17 emirates we have, come out to say that what Marafa said on the floor of the Senate is a lie, or was a lie. Mr. President, I am ready to resign, and I am ready to submit myself for prosecution for perjury. I said the Zamfara State government is in the full know of the perpetrators of this crime. The day the children of a member of House of Representatives, Sabin now, were kidnapped, just released yesterday, after the payment of ransom of 40 million naira. The governor was in the villa talking about remittance, money. When your people are under siege, Mr. President, is unacceptable. We would not accept it. Mine, like I said, I would want to lay these papers. I'm going to attend their meeting, and I want to say my personal safety, that of my family, and my wider family, Mr. President, and I want to say that we are many, is in the hands of Zamfara State government. And whatever happens, I want this Senate to hold them responsible. Mr. President, I know where they sleep. They know where I sleep. I know their children. They know my children. I know their families. They know my family. By this letter, whatever happens to me, my immediate family, and larger family, I am going to hold the governor and his deputy governor to account for it, and it is going to be eye for an eye. Mr. President, with your permission.
Senator Mara, I have been very patient. So I think you need to maintain a level of decorum as respect of a senator. You are going fine. Let us keep it within the constitutional authorities and the law.
Thank you, Mr. President, well guided. But sir, I want you to understand my emotions. Mr. President, this thing is happening. People are being killed on daily basis. People are being kidnapped on daily basis. Mr. President, this girl I'm talking about now, that was kidnapped, her parents are poor. Just 1 week to her marriage, she's still in the hands of these people in the bush. Their parent doesn't know where she is. Mr. President, we need to lend our voices to the plight of the Zamfara people. And I'm speaking this, and I'm saying it, that we need to look at the Zamfara issue before it gets out of hand.